Hey guys, what's up? This is me Narendra. A warm welcome to my channel, brethren. I'm here with the latest update on Outlook Lite app that was released last week, around like first of yeah, it was around early last week by Microsoft. So, the Outlook is used by millions of people around the world, as we all know. If you don't know, yeah, let me tell you, the most, used app for the mail is like Outlook. There are a wide range of devices, that do not have all the capabilities required to get the best Outlook experience on their smartphones. That's why, Outlook Lite has come in the market, and I'm sure this is, going to help a lot of people. So, and yeah, while talking about this Microsoft Outlook Lite app, I'm uh, going to discuss about the main features about the app. So it's small, you know, it's small in size, like already informed. It's like 5 MB, where in the main Outlook app is around like 57 MB. This perform faster. Yeah, it's faster than the main app. I'm not sure on this, but yeah, the Microsoft has claimed it, and it uses a low battery. Again, this also I have not checked, but Microsoft has claimed. And we have the option, to get to go to the settings of mobile and check anytime. And yes, it works in all network, no matter if you have a 2G or 4G, so you can use it on any network. Yeah, if your country has a 5G, again, it will still support. These are the great features, I guess. And personally, I have installed it and I have started to use it. You have a lot of options similar to main app. We have a calendar also there, where we can schedule a meeting, or we can see if there is any meeting, and we can manage our inbox properly. So a lot of quite things, you can install it, and you can check it out. So there are the few reviews, which I have just took it from the Google Play Store, the people who have installed it. So again, caution here, this is just for the educational purpose, nothing else. So Abin Biju says that this thing is a faster than the regular Outlook app. I never used the search tab in the main app, replacing that with contacts, something that is useful for me. I was a smart decision. I should seriously consider switching from the main one to this. Yeah, that's a great review. So Deepak, she just says that while installing Outlook Lite, error message, mailbox, patch failure, plus error code, HTTPS, and error tag 0365 coming, thus unable to install the app, unable to resolve. Okay, so Deepak got this error, and I'm sure Microsoft would have looked into this and resolved the issue. So has given a 2 star. So Amar Mishra says that focused exceptionally light, found exceptionally right. Sorry, smooth and fast. Hope it adds some more features in future, keeping it light so that anybody would love low specs can also experience it. So he has given a 5 star. Right, these are the reviews. So, with the Outlook Lite, Microsoft goal is to make Outlook more accessible, to ensure that who are on lightweight mobile devices across the world, empowering them to achieve more. Right, this is the Microsoft's goal, which they have already they always strive on. They look forward, So hope you guys got this info about Outlook Lite. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button if you have found this video more informative, and subscribe to my channel. uh, yeah, thank you for watching again, and signing off, Narendra. Bye bye, peace.